Okay. Yeah, we're just going to do a bit of tour around the seaside. It's a bit wet today, so we're just doing a bit of filming. So it's not going to be long. So this is the harbour pool in Poole, where you have all the boats here, exotic boats. So look at it there. So they're always trying to stay to explain everything. So
This is the Poole Harbour, Poole in Poole, Dorset. These are all the boats, the nice ships down there. And then you've got the boat trips go down there.
So we're just walking around to see. Everywhere is quiet because of the rain. So that's how it is. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and bye.